Hello again. Summer has arrived here in Finland, so we need some protection and help. So that's what we are doing. We need to change the oil on the mini excavator. It's already a bit overdue, but shit happens. So anyhow, we need to take this backplate off so we get access to the engine. Let's go from there. I need to open the seal. Okay. Here we have quite nice access. This is the flow. And here's the drain for the engine. I did use this already this morning, so it's a bit warm, but I think we are going to heat it up a bit more. So before we looks pretty good actually, and it's not totally black, which is also really nice. So I think I will let this run for 15 minutes and then we drain the oil. Warm enough. So I have this kind of drain thing, so I need to prep that up a bit. What is the size? 22. Let's open the ends. Let's take this open. Oh, okay, let's open the cap first and then we open that. There's a plug that this one is holding probably. So these needed oiling anyway, so I wouldn't like to do this one. Yeah, stronger ones. Maybe this one will do the trick. It's a bit awkward. Okay, nice. Okay, now we let it drain. Let's open this so it gets. Yeah, it was a good call to leave it closed first and doesn't rush out so fast when you open the plug. Is this a magnet? No. Oh, it's just an O-ring. Oh, handy. So it doesn't matter. Doesn't need to really tight, just that it doesn't vibrate out. And for filling we need to use the same hole. I need to check my funnels that what can I use here. Okay, going to get some food from the shop and also got this, so we could use it directly or just get a piece of really good this way, so it's easier. It should be around 1 liter or less than 1 liter, if I understood correctly. Oh, and I'm going to have a semi-synthetic water here, and this is not all the way full, but almost. So this might be what we need. I have also this, I can go on with that if necessary, but first we need to plug back, so is it, this is here, but yeah, now looks like a bolt. Okay, just push it there. Tighten this. Now it's going. Okay, that's should be fine. Let's put in half and see what does it say. Yeah, it's half of the 1 liter at the moment. Yeah, it's at the end of the text. Just barely. So they probably are not going to use all of this. A couple of milliliters there. Let's see. Ja, about 1 centimeter. More is good. I could check the frame how much I got out. I get this empty bits more than this. Properly. So just cool this in. You will take it out. Yeah, it's about half there. So we are probably using all of this. This was not quite full, but quite full. Yeah, it needs a bit more. At least couple disease, I think. So we are making a semi-winter mix here. You really shouldn't do this, but I'm doing it anyway. It should be fine, because in the manual it says that actually both of those oils are okay. So we have the other side. Let's take a proper measurement now. Yeah, now it's full. Happy with that. And hey, we actually have a fuel filter here. I thought we didn't. Look at that. Very nice. Or did I miss it last time? But I was thinking that do we have a oil filter? If we have it somewhere integrated, probably on the engine, and I'm pretty sure there isn't. That fuel filter is positive. Surprise! I thought that we didn't have even that. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I will just put the covers back and clean up all the tools. Okay, let's see what kind of oil we got out. This is of course dirty from other oils already, so I should have taken the sample when draining the engine, but let's see. That could be. Okay, it is black, like you would expect. But otherwise it's pretty okay, I think. Yeah. Those big bolts over there are rusting out, so let's give them some protection. Makes it easier when we are going to turn them, open them, if we are ever going to need to do that. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, that's it for this video on living with the mosquitoes and having a good time in the summertime. See you on the next one.